Hello, and welcome to this course on municipal solid waste management in developing countries. My name is Chris Zurbrück. I am a researcher at EAWAG. EAWAG is the Swiss Federal Institute of Aquatic Science and Technology. At EAWAG, I work in the Department of Sanitation, Water and Solid Waste for Development, abbreviated by SANDEC. I have over 18 years of research and practical experience on various issues involving the topic of solid waste management in low-income countries. This course is the third in a series of e-learning initiatives jointly developed by SANDEC at EAWAG and EPFL. The series covers the full range of SANDEC research activities. For more information on other courses, please visit our website. We designed this course for quite a broad audience. The main requirement for taking this course is that you are excited and passionate about this topic. You might be a student or a practitioner working in an NGO, or as a consultant, or even in national or local government. Our hope is that with this course, you, wherever you are and whatever you do, can make a change for the better. This change is desperately needed. Increasing population and urbanization results in increasing waste generation. Most cities are finding it difficult, not only to cope with the existing situation, but also to anticipate future trends and prepare and plan for this. No or unreliable waste collection results in waste accumulating in neighborhoods and endangers public health. Deficient treatment or disposal severely pollutes the environment and contributes to global warming. Before describing the program, let us first look at the learning objectives of this course. We hope that after this course, you understand the current situation and relevance of municipal solid waste management. Remember, this course focuses on low and middle-income countries and does not provide much information regarding waste management in OECD countries. Besides this overall understanding, at the end of the course, you should be able to comprehend the key issues of waste management, which on one hand covers the physical elements, starting with waste generation, collection, transport, treatment, or recycling, and landfill disposal, as well as the role of stakeholders, key management issues, as well as governance and financial aspects. Besides understanding the challenges, you will learn about appropriate and already applied solutions through selected case studies. So at the end of the course, you should also know what can be done and how to improve the situation. The course will give a lot of space to organic waste treatment. And after the various modules on organic waste treatment, you should know about the basic principles of each and have a good understanding of the pros and cons of each option. Finally, you should be able to understand some selected broader issues. Now, I shall pass the word to Imanol Zabaleta to introduce you to the concepts that underlie the framework of this course.
Thanks, Chris. Hi, my name is Imanol Zabaleta. I am a researcher and a project coordinator at EAWAG, working together with Chris at SANDEC and also dealing with issues pertaining to solid waste management in developing countries. As Chris mentioned, waste management does not only involve the waste-related services and infrastructure, it also involves people, their behaviors and interactions, money, laws, and other aspects which are often overlooked or neglected. Having a comprehensive and well-structured overview of all aspects involved in solid waste management and their interdependencies is therefore of utmost importance. This is what the Integrated Sustainable Waste Management Framework is for, here shown behind me. The most recent version of the framework, shown here, consists of two overlapping triangles that represent two sides of the solid waste management system. The hardware of the system, the physical components, and the software of the system, the governance aspects. This framework is becoming the norm in discussion and assessment of solid waste management system in different countries. We adapted it into this animated figure. In week 1, After discussing the relevance and importance of the course, we will focus on the physical elements in the municipal solid waste management chain. That covers generation, collection and treatment, RRR components, reduce, reuse and recycle, as well as final disposal. Week 2 will then focus on the governance aspects, covering various stakeholders involved, their roles and responsibilities, financial mechanisms, as well as institutional and policy aspects. In week 3, we will learn about different options to treat organic waste, also referred to as biowaste. In week 4, we will cover the basics on the management of several other waste fractions. And finally, week 5 will conclude with modules on selected broader issues such as circular economy and the link between waste and climate change.
We estimate that we need about 75%.
You will notice that in each week we have included one or several bonus modules.
25%.
Our goal with this course is to get you really excited about the topic so that you want to know much more about it. That's why we will refer to key readings on specific subjects in the various video modules, which typically can be downloaded for free from our website or other internet databases. You will also find references to key readings on the Coursera landing page and on our department's website under the section e-learning. And remember that learning can be really fun. And when sharing with others, then the added value of learning and the fun factor significantly increase. In that sense, we really welcome you to join and exchange in the forum. In the forum, you can share your ideas, opinions, pictures, experiences from your hometown or from your travels, and discuss these issues with other learners enrolled in the course. In this course, in addition to graded quizzes, you will encounter ungraded quiz questions within the videos as well as homework tasks. Broaden and strengthen your knowledge by completing them. We look forward to working with you in this course.